this episode of Capital Compass, we are breaking down the critical but often overlooked part of your fundraising process, that's the data room. What it is, what to include, and why it can make or break your raise. Let's start with what exactly is a data room. A data room is a centralized folder. It might be on a Google Drive or a Notion, where you keep all the core elements that an investor might ask you for after the first call. Think of it as your due diligence hub. It is not your pitch deck. It is not something that you share upfront. But once interest builds, then the investors will expect it. The folders within the data room need to be labeled clearly. They need to have easy permissions, and the data room itself should be structured with respect to navigation. It should not be about 20 loose PDFs. This brings us to what to include and what not to include in the pre-seed or seed stage data room. Here's what investors typically look for at the early stage. Keep it concise. You're showing traction, not flooding them. The core documents are the pitch deck, the one page or the executive summary, the fundraising plan plus the round size, the cap table, fully diluted current and post-money view, safe or convertible notes template if you're using one, product demo or the screenshots, financial model, even if it's simple, use assumptions. And then the customer testimonials or logos if they are available, and finally any PR or the press mentions. You can also include market sizing document, the team bios or the hiring plan, and the tech architecture if it's relevant for your investors.